Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Hope your Christmas was great. It's been a while since I've had a video up. Last Tuesday night after the last video, I developed a fever and ended up spending Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and some of Friday in bed with a pretty good fever. But turned out to be a flu bug. Got into the doctor Friday and got on some good meds and pretty much got the fever beat, but I am really weak. Down 8 pounds, not a great way to lose it, but hey. Well, let me stop rambling a minute. I wanted to do a quick bench update in that I haven't done Christmas. I don't have anything to report on for Christmas as far as a stash or anything like that goes. Our family will do that. New Year's Day, we're going to get together and do that since we weren't able to last week. But today I want to share with you some of the Christmas cards and shout outs that I was going to do last week and was unable to do. Also a show shout out for 2 weeks, so it's right around the corner, and a brand new magazine that I'm pretty excited about. I want to share that with you, so let's get to it.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
First up, guys, a little apology in advance in case I start coughing. Hopefully I won't because of the lozenge in my mouth and my tea here. Hopefully we'll be able to get through this. But first up, Christmas cards. And right up front, we've got from Tim over at Papa's Model Workshop, Tim and Karen. Tim, thank you so much. Appreciate the kind words inside and the well wishes. And the same to you and Karen. And guys, by the way, any of these channels, some of these are from individuals, some from channels. Head over and check out these channels because you're going to get a blessing out of them. You're going to learn something really good stuff from each of these guys. Tim has a great channel too, and that is Papa's Model Workshop. So head over and check it out. Next up is a card from our buddy Kevin Morley over at Kevin's Scale Modeling. Kevin, thank you, and best wishes for a great holiday season for you and your family as well, buddy. Appreciate it very much. And then from Donnie Lugo, check that out. Gotta love that. And again, brother, thank you so much for the kind words. Truly appreciate that. Hope you guys had a great Christmas and gonna have a prosperous New Year as well. And then from Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Bills, and I think everybody's familiar with Paul's channel. That's the founder of Model Cars and Coffee. What a wonderful idea. I've enjoyed seeing everyone's segments on that too. Just a fellowship time. Paul, thank you again for that, but thank you for the nice card. This is from the whole gang too, by the way. This is from Pops, Bella, and June, so thank you so much. Appreciate it. Happy holidays to you guys. Hope your Christmas was great, and again, another prosperous new year. And then lastly, we have another homemade card that comes up every year, and this is from our buddy BG over at Brian's Model Workshop, our buddy Brian Gugamos. And he and Linda are very precious to Amanda and I. We've met them a couple times in Atlanta, and they just wonderful people, a great modeler, but just awesome people in our hearts too. And these little personal cards are always something special from Brian and Linda. So Brian, thank you. Linda, we love you guys. Look forward to see you at Acme again this year. Next up, excuse me. The shout out for the South Carolina Modelers Association's Hope It Don't Snow show, January the 17th. This is a new venue. This year it's at the NARA Event Hall in Welford, South Carolina, right off of I-85, right near I-26, so it's a pretty convenient location. We've been by the new showroom. It's really big. Gonna be a lot more room than there was last year for the vendors and the models. Very, as they say, bright lighting. That was one of the things that stood out. There's your information for contact. I don't think they have any vendor spaces left open, but if you are a vendor and going to be in the area, check them out. There's the information. And you can go to the, I think, Facebook page or the website and get the, I don't know, did I say I got too much meds in me. If I didn't mention it, the long roofs and pickups is the theme. And you can head over to the Facebook or the website and you can get this flyer. You can print it off, and on the back you see there's the directions to it. It is, like I said, pretty convenient to the interstates. Next up, a brand new magazine that I am excited about. My buddy Tim Kalankowitz, I've known for probably close to 35 years. He and Ricky Couch are some of the most creative minds that I have ever known personally that can come up with some of the coolest cars, and perfectionists to boot. Well, this is Tim's creation. This is from his mind. And this is an awesome, awesome magazine. This is the inaugural issue, and you can head over to scalemodelenthusiast.com. You can head over to Model Roundup. There's several places that are carrying these already. You can go ahead and order them. They're not done for subscriptions yet. You just order them direct, one issue at a time. This is going to be a quarterly magazine, so it's going to come out 4 times a year. And I can tell you now, just based on what's in the first one, this is cool. You've got some show coverage. You've got some information on diorama building. This is going to be, by the way, a magazine that covers more than just auto, but I think with knowing Tim, it's going to be predominantly auto, but I see where he's going with it, and I have to agree, because I have learned more about weathering burnt metals and exhaust from military modelers than I ever have from auto modelers. Jet exhaust, things like that, all that carries over. And you've heard me say before, everything that I have learned about using and bending and stretching and doing things with photo etch that I didn't know you could do, I've learned from model ship builders. When you get a highly detailed model destroyer or something like that, it has all the minute, tiny railing, and it's bent and stretched to different shapes and stuff like that. It's just amazing what you can do with it. And I've learned more about photo etch from, like I said, shipbuilders than anything. But all forms of scale modeling complement each other, and that's what this is all about too. Working with brass, there's a lot of really good stuff in there. I'm not going to do a page by page, but let me tell you, just like this thing for Galleria on the back of the book, guys, this thing is chock full of top name 3D printers. I'll share that with you. There's one from Matthew with MCV Products, but you need to get a copy of this. This first issue is well worth it. So head over to Scale Model Enthusiast magazine. Great information. Going to be a great new addition to our hobby that's going to help us continue to grow. And I look forward to seeing what Tim comes up with in these next issues as well. Okay, lastly, for my granddaughter Zoe, she has done pretty well for herself in building. Well, she wanted to do this, and I think I shared that with you. Well, tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow we'll get it done, but we're going to get this redone. She wanted to do this. Well, I think that's awesome, but she wanted to do it in where the red is purple, and she's already picked out her purple, and where the white is in a pure white, because the kit didn't come that way, and she was not a real fan of it. You see the white, well, this is more of a cream color, and then the red is just kind of a dark red. So I'm gonna work with her. We're gonna get this primed, and we're gonna go ahead and get our base coats and stuff on it. And for the junior category for the Hope It Don't Snow show, so we're gonna get everything kind of in order for her. I had not seen these quick builders before until she did that Jeep year before last, and that was a winner. And if you remember, that's where I taught her how to use the airbrush. I taught her how to, pardon me, to do the chrome, if you remember. And she did all of the chrome because there's no chrome in these kits, and she did all the chrome. And I don't know if she's going to want to do the hubcaps or any of that stuff yet. I don't know yet. But if she does, hey, she can use the airbrush. So I think I'm going to decant the purple and the white and let her go ahead and take care of that. But we'll try to get it in primer, everything in primer tomorrow, and then over the next few days get the rest of that out of the way. I did not finish the 40 Ford modified for the end of the year. I wanted to have it done before January 1st, but being about 5 days down with the flu, and then to make matters worse, since the fever broke Sunday morning, I just haven't felt it, to be honest with you guys. I just hadn't felt like coming back out here, so that's on me. But I look at it this way: on the bright side of that, the 40 Ford modified will be the very first thing that is finished in January. All right, guys. Hope y'all have an awesome new year. Be safe. Remember, Jesus loves you. So does Hobby Dude. We'll see you in the next video, guys. God bless.